Do you want to start your own small business? With Daqin Custom Mobile, you can easily start your own business. No need to worry about inventory. Grain, carbon fiber, AC, mat, leather, color changing. Software 3D Daqin Mobile Beauty Master, printing machine, lamination machine, cutting machine, tools, film materials and English training videos. Daqin provide free update service for the software. From time to time, there will be new model of mobile phone templates added into the software through online updating. The update service is free forever. One-time payment and you can use the software forever. This business project is suitable for everyone to start own small business at home. Also suitable for mobile accessories store, mobile phone repair store, mobile phone store, gift store, shopping mall kiosk and so on. If you have interest of starting this business, please visit Daqin official website to learn more information.